Good afternoon, YouTube. AKIRA 2805 here. Back again with another exciting Yu-Gi-Oh! Deck review. I have here with me today another of my new decks from September 2011. Except this is really just something I just threw together for fun. I combined some new combined some of the new XYZs, the new wind-up monsters, and some new warriors found in the XYZ structure deck. Dawn of the XYZ structure deck. I've not dueled with it yet, so I have no idea how it's going to fare in the near future, but this is what I built so far. I don't know if anybody else has built it this way or not, but like I said, this is really just something I just threw together for fun. So, and I have no name for it yet, but I'm sure I'll think of something. I always do. Alright, let's get on with it. We'll start off with the new XYZs. We have Utopia, Grandnosaurus, Wind-Up Zenmeister, or Zenmeister. I'm not sure how to pronounce it right now. Yeah, I got this at the first wave of the Fine Art of Baseball event that they held this past Saturday, and I got his 10, so it's very fruitful, I guess. Alright, and Terabyte. Alright, on to the regular monsters now. We got 2 wind-up jugglers, 3 wind-up dogs, 2 wind-up snails, 2 wind-up magicians, and 3 wind-up soldiers. And that does it for the wind-ups. Now for just the regular the other half of the deck, which is basically just a bunch of new warriors. Shine Knight, Trident Warrior, Marauding Captain, Zubaba Knight, Keyman, the Key Warrior, Feedback Warrior, and 2 Goblin Birch, I think. Alright, on to spells now. Lightning Vortex, Harmonic Waves, oh, hello. XYZ Energy, Blustering Winds, Legendary Wind-Up Key, Star Changer. I got 2 of these. Alright, never mind. Times 2. 2 Reinforcement of the Armies, and 1 Shrink. Alright, on to traps. This is basically what I just threw in there just to fill in the gap. We'll see how it does. Spellbinding Circle is what I'm talking about. I just threw that in there, really. It's an old card, but it still serves a good use. Still works, I guess. Alright, United Front, Mirror Force. Always a classic to have in there. Trap Hole, XYZ Effect, Nordic Relic Leviatine, Treaty on Uniform Nomenclature. Just saying that 10 times fast. And 3 Overwinds, which go with the wind-up monsters. Now what you saw was basically all I was able to get my hands on for the time being, as far as the wind-up cards are concerned. There's a few more out there that has eluded me, but I'm pretty sure I'll get my hands on them soon. Spells, traps, monsters, there we go. Alright, and that was my new deck of September 2011. The XYZ Wind-Up Warrior deck, I guess. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Any comments? Positive, hopefully. any suggestions, any ideas that can make this deck a little better, I'll be more than happy to listen. So until next time, this is AKIRA 2805 signing off.